So to create the new Excel file, this is a mouse moving. Okay, just right click on the mouse, you get option like this. Go to new and then come down. You have a like another one called Microsoft Excel sheet. So just click on it and it will ask for the rename. Just rename as you want. Excel sheet. Okay, just enter and then double click on it. Otherwise you can open right click and open also, then open. So it will ask for some security. Maybe it will be not in your PC. If it is asking means just click on it, come here, unrestricted, apply. Okay, so this is how Excel file is created. In the next video I will come up with the new topic again. Till then, see you. Bye bye.